Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're swapping the dumbbells for dollars and talking about getting your finances into peak condition. Ever feel stuck in your financial journey, not sure whether to focus on earning more or spending less? Well, think of it like fitness. Are you in a bulking season or a cutting season? This one simple analogy completely changed how I look at money, and it's going to do the same for you. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about financial bulking. In the gym, bulking means eating more calories to build muscle mass. In your financial life, it's all about increasing your income. This is your high growth phase. You're not just earning a salary. You're building financial muscle. This could mean starting that side hustle you've been thinking about, like freelance writing, graphic design, or even selling handmade goods online. It could mean investing in yourself by taking a course to learn a high-income skill like coding, digital marketing, or a trade certification. The goal here is to expand your capacity to earn. You're building new income streams, negotiating for raises, and investing in assets that generate more money over time. Financial bulking is about playing offense, actively creating more wealth. It's an aggressive, forward-moving strategy designed to significantly boost your top line. Now, let's flip the coin and talk about financial cutting. In fitness, cutting is when you reduce your calories to shed body fat and reveal the muscle underneath. Financially, this means getting serious about reducing your expenses and trimming the fat from your budget. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about being intentional. It's about optimizing. You'll start by tracking every single dollar. Where is your money actually going? You'll be surprised what you find. Maybe it's the daily coffee, the dozen streaming subscriptions you don't use, or the high-interest debt that's silently eating away at your income. Cutting means making conscious choices. Maybe you cancel some subscriptions, start cooking at home more often, or refinance your loans to a lower interest rate. This is your defensive strategy. It's about strengthening your financial foundation by eliminating waste and plugging leaks in your budget. Financial cutting makes every dollar you earn work harder for you. So, how do you know which season you're in? Bulking or cutting? Here's a simple framework to help you decide. Take a hard look at your current financial situation. What's your body fat percentage? This is your debt-to-income ratio and your non-essential spending. If you have a lot of high-interest debt like credit cards or personal loans, and your expenses are eating up most of your paycheck, you're likely in a cutting phase. Your immediate priority is to get lean. Reduce that financial fat, pay down that debt, and free up your cash flow. On the other hand, what's your muscle mass? This is your income and your potential to earn more. If your debt is manageable and your expenses are already pretty lean, but your income feels stagnant, it's time to bulk. Your focus should be on building more muscle, more income streams. You can't save your way to being a millionaire if your income is too low. Sometimes you have to invest in yourself to grow. You can even do a hybrid approach, what we might call a lean bulk, modestly increasing income while keeping a close eye on expenses. The key is to be honest with yourself about where you are right now. There's no right or wrong answer, only the right strategy for your current situation. Just like in fitness, you can't bulk and cut at the same time effectively. You need to pick a primary focus. So, what's it going to be for you? Are you ready to start cutting the financial fat and get your budget lean and mean? Or are you ready to enter a bulking season and start building some serious financial muscle? Your journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires a smart training plan. Pick your strategy, commit to it, and start working towards your goals today. You have the power to build the financial future you want. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building your wealth. Let me know in the comments below which season you're in, bulking or cutting. See you in the next video.